Buying a GPU shouldn't feel like decoding ancient scripture, but here we are. One wrong pick and you're stuck with a power-hungry heater disguised as a graphics card. One right move and suddenly your PC feels reborn. The GPU market is getting louder, pricier, and more confusing than ever, which is exactly why you need to know what actually matters before you hit that Add to Cart button. From silicon architecture to VRAM traps, manufacturers don't tell you about. Let's break down the real things you need to look for clearly, simply, and without the marketing noise. Let's get you the GPU that's worth your money, not the one that drains it. This video will help you navigate key considerations to ensure you find a GPU that meets your needs. Enjoy! Different GPUs are built for specific tasks, so your choice depends on your needs. If you are a gamer, find a GPU that can manage modern games at high resolutions and frame rates. For 1080p gaming, the AMD Radeon RX 7600 offers excellent performance. For gaming at 1440p or 4K, consider higher-end models like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 or the RTX 4090. These models perform exceptionally well, especially with features like ray tracing and AI upscaling. If you create content, look for GPUs with a lot of VRAM and good computing power. The AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX, which has 24 GB of VRAM, is great for tasks that need high memory and parallel processing. For professional work, the NVIDIA RTX 6000 ADA offers top performance for video editing, 3D rendering, and AI tasks, but is much more expensive. For everyday computing, integrated graphics or essential GPUs like Intel's Arc A580 are enough for tasks like media playback, regular office work, and light gaming. Understanding GPU specifications is essential for comparing different models and predicting how well they will perform. One key specification is the core count. The number of CUDA cores for NVIDIA, or stream processors for AMD, shows how well a GPU can handle multiple tasks at once. For example, the RTX 4090 has over 16,000 CUDA cores, making it great for demanding tasks like AI and real-time ray tracing. Clock speeds, measured in megahertz, also matter. Higher clock speeds generally mean better performance. However, the GPU's architecture and efficiency are essential too. Another key factor is VRAM or video memory. Modern games and applications need a lot of memory. For gaming at 1080p, 8 GB of VRAM is usually enough. However, for higher resolutions like 4K or demanding work like 3D modeling, 16 GB or more is often necessary. The AMD RX 7900 XT has 20 GB of VRAM, while the NVIDIA RTX 4090 comes with 24 GB of GDDR6X. Both are excellent choices for memory-heavy tasks. Ray tracing simulates realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections, enhancing the visual immersion of games. NVIDIA's RTX series leads the way in this technology, with even mid-range models like the RTX 4060 Ti capable of handling ray tracing at 1080p resolutions. AI upscaling, such as NVIDIA's deep learning supersampling and AMD's FidelityFX super resolution, allows GPUs to render games at lower resolutions and upscale them to maintain high performance without sacrificing visual quality. The RTX 4070 Super, for example, offers excellent DLSS performance at a reasonable price, making it a popular choice for gamers seeking to balance visuals and performance, especially at 1440p resolutions. Choosing a GPU also depends on your monitor's resolution and refresh rate. For 1080p gaming, budget-friendly GPUs like the Intel Arc A750 or the AMD Radeon RX 7600 can deliver excellent performance, handling popular titles. For 1440p gaming, more powerful GPUs like the NVIDIA RTX 4070 or AMD RX 7800 XT are ideal, providing competitive gaming performance and allowing users to enjoy advanced graphical settings. When gaming at 4K, higher-end GPUs like the NVIDIA RTX 4080 or RTX 4090 are necessary. These cards ensure smooth gameplay at ultra-high-definition resolutions, even with ray tracing enabled, offering the best possible visual experience. Whether you're aiming for 1080p, 1440p, or 4K gaming, selecting the proper GPU is crucial to achieving your desired gaming experience. Power consumption and physical size are two often overlooked factors when selecting a GPU. High-performance GPUs, such as the RTX 4090, require significant power, drawing up to 450 watts of power. Ensuring your power supply unit can handle the GPU's power demands is crucial. It's also essential to verify that your PSU has the necessary connectors to support the GPU. The physical size of a GPU can also limit compatibility, particularly in compact PC cases. Many modern GPUs are large, often featuring triple-fan cooling designs and extended lengths. If you're working with a small case, you may need to opt for smaller cards, like the AMD Radeon RX 7600 Mini or the NVIDIA RTX 4060, which offer similar performance in a more compact form factor. A GPU's performance depends on its hardware, drivers, and accompanying software. Both NVIDIA and AMD provide regular driver updates to improve performance, fix bugs, and enhance compatibility with new games. These updates ensure that your GPU stays optimized and maintains a high level of performance throughout its lifespan. Software ecosystems, such as NVIDIA's GeForce Experience and AMD's Adrenalin software, offer features that enhance the user experience in addition to drivers. GeForce Experience allows for easy game optimization, driver updates, and screen recording, while Adrenalin software offers precise control over performance, power usage, and GPU tuning. Finding the right balance between price and performance is key to maximizing value when purchasing a GPU. For entry-level users, GPUs like Intel's Arc 580 and AMD's RX 7600 provide excellent performance for under $300, which is a deal for 1080p gaming. For those in the mid-range, the AMD RX 7800 XT and NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super, priced around $500, offer outstanding performance at higher resolutions like 1440p. For enthusiasts willing to spend over $1,000, the RTX 4090 provides unparalleled gaming and productivity performance, making it the top choice for those who demand the absolute best. By evaluating the price-to-performance ratio, you can choose the right GPU that fits both your needs and budget. When purchasing a GPU, it's essential to consider the warranty terms and the level of customer support offered by the manufacturer. A good warranty can provide peace of mind, ensuring that you're covered in case of hardware failure. Manufacturers like EVGA and ASUS offer extended warranties and excellent customer service, which can be invaluable if you encounter any issues with your GPU. That's all. So take the time to do your research, consider your options, and invest in the perfect graphics card for your needs today. Explore the latest models to achieve the performance you deserve, and your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching, and let us know which one you plan to buy.